Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming a few essentials so the fix won't fail midway. First, make sure your device has battery above 20% and at least 200 MB free. Low power or no space breaks installs. Once done, back up your current wallpaper or take a screenshot so you can restore it. Then open the live wallpaper app or engine and note the app version. This tells you whether updates or compatibility fixes are needed before proceeding. You now diagnose and apply the common fixes methodically. Start by force stopping the Wallpaper app, clear its cache, and relaunch to rule out transient glitches. Next, update or reinstall from the official store. Reinstalling fixes corrupted files, but preserve app data if prompted. Also make sure battery optimization is disabled for that app and grant required permissions like storage and display over other apps, so the live wallpaper, you're at the final phase, apply and verify. Pick the live wallpaper, set resolution and frame rate to match your device, then tap apply so the system registers the change. After applying, reboot your device to clear lingering system locks and check both home and lock screens. If animation still fails, reset the wallpaper app's data or test a different live wallpaper to isolate the problem. Quick troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, clear system cache or try safe mode to identify conflicting apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.